Did some London trading on the micros. Now it's a couple minutes to the New York Open. I got a Tradeify account on NinjaTrader as well. So I've got Apex, Take Profit Trader, and Tradeify on my NinjaTrader 8. And then on my NinjaTrader 7, I've got Bulenox. I've got the MMT key levels almost final draft on the chart here. Check out the London Open. It's coming into play pre-market here. These labels I'm going to be able to move around in the final version, either above and below the line, or I'm going to be able to push these labels to the right. I was having some technical difficulties with my NinjaTrader 7. Every time I placed a trade with my ATM strategy, it said I got a bad fill and it took me out of the trade a couple times. But I found if I did not use an ATM, it's working fine. Not sure what that's about, but it's definitely less stressful trading the micros when things go awry. Up 38 bucks on the Bulenox. Up 400 on one of the Apex. Up 80 on the Take Profit Trader. And 3 bucks on Tradeify. We came right up to the pivot point here. The pivot point held. Also this nice ledge on the volume profile here. The most recent short I got into was this candle, breaking below the 20 with a nice big juicy red candle, tons of delta. I was looking for it to test the lower Bollinger Band. It did. We bounced back up to the 20 and have continued our descent. Just got into a little scalp long. So we are coming down to the lower Bollinger Band again. It's also this double level with yesterday's low. And then I've got this high volume level here on the same line. And as we were coming down, delta was drying up. Had some delta divergence there. Got a little scalp back up to yesterday's close here. Yeah, it's a little clusterfuck with the labels right over price. But on the final version, we'll have an X parameter. You can move these labels around wherever you want them. This London Open level is custom. You can change it to whatever you want. You can mark off any time that you want it to measure, change the label. There's also a custom line input for a previous level that I've got measuring yesterday's New York Open. I don't have it on right now, but there's a lot of options with this key levels indicator. Getting rejected here, yesterday's low area. See how price is reacting to the London Open. Got a couple rejections there. Getting a couple rejections to the downside here. I've got my REPLIKANTO trade copier activated to take trades on both the Take Profit Trader and the Tradeify at the same time. And then I've got one of my Apex accounts that I'm trading today on this chart. I really like having everything on one platform. Got my 5-minute chart. This is the MMT trend and reversal with the 3 SMA and cumulative delta as the input on the candles, the trend flow candles. Called out the 2 directions pretty well today. Green up move, red down move. I like having the Bollinger Band on the 1 minute, the 60-minute, and the 5-minute chart. Keeping an eye out on the upper, lower, center bands for each time frame. I've got the same trend flow candles on the 1 minute chart, the 3 SMA / cumulative delta candles. But on this chart, I've got the directional filter on, so I'm getting some neutral candles. I've got the trend flow ADX candles on this chart as well, except it's just printing the signal dots. This way I can monitor the trend flow candles on 2 different input series, but I'm using the ADX dots here to catch potential changes in direction. See, as we are coming down here, getting some dots moving to the upside potentially. And we got the hold up at the 50 area. We bounced up almost 20 points. I started trading the micros again because I was trading the afternoon session and London session when I'm not usually trading, and I didn't want to have a lot of risk on. But I don't know. I don't know if I like getting back into the micro mindset. On my one Apex account today, I traded the regular NQ contract I traded one single NQ contract on 2 different trades, and on this account I'm up 400 bucks versus these other accounts I'm hardly up anything. I also took some riskier trades on the micros because I wasn't as worried about getting the best entries. Just had a more relaxed attitude on the accounts that I was trading the micros, and don't think that's the best idea. I used to trade the micros a lot. I got a lot of payouts trading the micros and doing a little bit of dollar cost averaging, but I think I still prefer sticking to the regular minis and doing some more precise momentum trading. Unless I'm trading the London or the afternoon session, then micros are pretty cool. But during the New York Open, I think I'm going to stick with trading the minis. With these other accounts, I was also just kind of excited to see if I liked trading the micros and doing a little bit of dollar cost averaging, since I haven't been able to on my Apex accounts for a couple months. But I really don't think I miss it at all. Just got in on a little scalp short when we first approached the 20 SMA here. Had this high volume area. It's kind of held up a couple times already. I got $13 trading one micro on one of my Apex accounts. Not that exciting. It's pretty much 10:30. I do like the idea of trying to get one more short in. Alright, it's 10:31. I'm done for the day. I got my one more short in. We were up at yesterday's close and VWAP. Got a little scalp short there. 15 bucks or something like that. I've got links and coupon codes to all the different prop firms that I'm trading with. If you feel like using those links or coupon codes and helping to support the channel, always greatly appreciated. Thanks for tuning in. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.